For centuries, we've looked to the stars and imagined life, drawing us to one of our nearest neighbours, the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars. Visible to the naked eye, yet millions of miles away. One of the smallest planets in the solar system, yet home to some of its highest mountains. Formed from rocky material similar to Earth, approximately half the diameter and a tenth of the mass. Mars, our greatest obsession in the search for life beyond our own planet. For thousands of years we could only watch and imagine, but then Galileo Galilei became the first astronomer to point a new invention, the telescope, at Mars. As telescopes improved, the planet began to reveal its secrets. Polar regions and seasons were observed. During the late 18th century, William Herschel produced the first detailed images of Mars. He made comparisons with Earth, igniting speculation about Martian civilizations. The idea of intelligent life endured until the first spacecraft was sent to the Red Planet. Exploration was a monumental leap forward, stretching the boundaries of human ingenuity. Any spacecraft must travel far in excess of the 34.5 million miles separating Earth and Mars at their closest, and this before the perils of orbiting or landing. Over half of all missions to Mars have failed. In 1965, the breakthrough came with NASA's Mariner 4 and the first successful flyby of Mars. Its close-up photographs transformed our perception of the planet. There were no civilizations on Mars. Mariner and later orbiters revealed a dead, hostile world with a thin atmosphere where temperatures fall as low as -100 degrees Celsius. A planet covered with loose dust and rock, where liquid water was rare, if it existed at all. But surface features hinted at a hidden history, when water was plentiful and the atmosphere more welcoming. An atmosphere that was stripped away some 4 billion years ago. There were new questions about life. No longer civilizations, but microbes, perhaps still thriving below the surface. Orbiters were succeeded by landers and rovers as technology improved. In 1997, NASA's Sojourner became the first wheeled vehicle on Mars. Phoenix landed in 2008, observing ice and liquid water. 2012's Curiosity is the most technologically advanced rover yet. Its mission is to explore the Gale crater and search for the chemical building blocks of life. Evidence of even primitive, single-celled organisms may unlock deeper truths about life in our universe. Might Martian life have DNA? Could our own DNA have come from Mars? Could there be a single recipe for all life everywhere? As we understand more, our questions about the Red Planet continue to evolve, and as we look to the future, we no longer ask if there is life on Mars, but when.